We need to snatch history away from all the fucking bourgeois, from all the fucking whitewashers and all the upper class pansies, basically. Pansies and cowards. And we need to bring it back to the people. We need to show history what it truly, truly is at its heart. Epic stories. I've said it again, I'll say it 1,000 times. History is anime. Say it with me.
History is anime.
The only reason to like history is because it's the exact same thing as anime. Napoleon Bonaparte is Kirito. In fact, he's even more powerful than Kirito, if you can imagine that. So we're going to see bloody clashes. We're going to see women in any context that will make you guys go fucking crazy. We're going to see a climb for power. It's going to be like Game of Thrones if it was actually real life. So this whole thing right here, don't be afraid because you hear, oh, history, this is going to be boring, it's going to lull me to sleep, it's only going to be 10 minutes. Fuck you, 10 minutes video, I'll kill you! I'll kill you if you make a video under 10 minutes, I'll kill you. And so let's get into history as it was meant to be told by a sage, by in a saga by a bard, if you will. All of us are Americans. None of us want to hear a European country or like idea posited at